Muscovy ducks, Functional Rustic. Half of the ducklings anyway. Come on, guys, let's go. This is not our lawn. Come on, let's go. So that's Chester. His leg has healed very nicely. Look at that handsome feller. He is the father, I think, to these guys. Maybe Larry's the dad. We'll find out when they're bigger. And that's Amelia Air Duck. She is the mama. The rest of her ducklings are hanging out with Gladys in the barn. Gladys is the bronze turkey. She helps these duck hens take care of their babies. We literally just came from there. Oh, the coloring on these babies is something else. Look at the browns on this one. So pretty. See more of the Muscovy ducks at functionalrustic.com.